This video is on Standard A REI B3. Solve linear equations and inequalities in one variable, including equations with coefficients represented by letters. This video will go over solving one-step equations. When solving one-step equations, we use our inverse operations. So for all four of these, we're going to use our inverses from the last video to solve for x. Looking at this first example, x plus 1 equals 10, you need to ask yourself, what is the opposite of adding 1? In order to cancel out adding 1, we are going to subtract 1. Now, in order to solve for x, we need to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. You can imagine a line through the equal sign. So we're going to subtract 1 on the left, and we're going to subtract 1 on the right. On the left, these cancel out, and we're left with just x equals 10 minus 1 is 9. In the next example, we are subtracting 11. The opposite of subtracting is adding. So we're going to add 11 to both sides. On the left, the 11s cancel out, and we're left with x equals 41. In the next example, we have 5x equals 25. 5x next to each other like that is multiplication. So to cancel out the multiplication, we are going to divide both sides by 5. These cancel out, and we're left with x equals 5. Final example, x over 7 equals 10. X over 7 like that is showing division. To undo division, we are going to multiply by 7 on both sides. The 7s cancel out, and we'll have x equals 70. This was an example of the 4 most common operations shown in one-step equations. So you have now seen an addition, a subtraction, a multiplication, and a division problem. You may now move on and complete your practice.